Hey guys, in this video, I'll prove you compounding with the help of Microsoft Excel. In column A, we'll write year. In column B and C, we'll write start value and end value. So let's fill years from 1 to 30 now. I'll simply drag it down to 30. Here we go. Start value, as in other video, will be 1000. And end value will be start value into 1.2 because of 20% return, that's 1.2. And start value for year 2 will be the end value for year 1, so I'll link it. End value formula will remain same, so I'll use Ctrl D. And now I'll go down to year 30 and pull down these formulas. And now I'll select everything and fit the columns right. Now let's go to the year 30 and see the end result. Exactly what was shown in the previous video. Now let's try to arrive at the same result using the formula available in the Excel, which is future value bracket open rate comma number of compounding per year, that is 1 in our case, comma additional payments, and PV, that is present value. So putting in figures, 20% that is our rate, comma 30 years, so 30 comma 0 additional payment, comma negative 1000, that is present value. Answer is same as what we arrived at manually. Let's now do this using the formula taught to us in our school by our math teacher. FV, that is future value, equals present value, that is PV, bracket open 1 plus bracket open R by N. N is number of compounding per year, which is 1 in our case. Simply ignore it because rate divided by 1 will be the same. Whole to the power NT, T being the number of years. Let's put in figures. 1000 bracket open 1 plus rate, which is 20% or 0.2 bracket close, to the power NT, that is 30 years, and we arrive at the same answer as above. If you have different figures in mind and want to try out what your result will be, you can use any of these 3 methods, or you can simply Google compounding calculator. Thanks for watching.